Welcome to the classroom. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Management is responsible for ensuring that the goals of the business are met. This can happen through proper planning and using the available resources in the most efficient and cost-effective way. This will always involve proper planning, organizing, leading, and controlling of all resources and activities. Planning does not only apply to business, but to all aspects of life, even for you at school. The most important tasks which a manager or management must fulfill include planning, organizing, leading, and control. Planning involves looking at the future and considering all obstacles and challenges which could disturb our set goals. Then making strategies to overcome these obstacles and reach our goals. In business, our ultimate goal is making the most profit. For you here at school, your ultimate goal would be passing with the highest marks possible. Planning, as I said, is done to achieve goals. But one must remember to never stop after planning. You have to implement and follow up on your plans continually. See the results. Were they worth the costs? If not, then going back to the drawing board is the best thing that you can do for yourself. A beautiful acronym that goes well with planning is KISS, KISS. Keep it simple, especially when it comes to planning. So, just for a second, let's consider the whole COVID-19 situation and the president of the country. Imagine that you were the president and you had to decide whether you must lift the lockdown or not. Now tell me, what factors do you think you would have to consider? What would the positives and the negatives of either decision that you would make be? So say you chose to lift the lockdown. What would be the positives? What would be the negatives? Organizing. This component of management is a reminder of how the factors of production must be brought together and be put to work. Do you guys remember the factors of production? Do you guys remember CELL, capital, entrepreneurship, labor, and land? Generally, managers will be responsible for organizing the activities in the business. Remember when we spoke about CELL, we said that it was the entrepreneur's responsibility to bring all the factors of production together in order to create an environment which is conducive to creating profit. So in a business, management is generally considered the entrepreneur. Every person in the organization should know what they must do, when it should be done, and how to do it. And then managers are generally responsible for organizing their employees and systems to produce the most efficient output for the business. With organizing, this is where people with an obsessive compulsive disorder win. In business, everything has to be just right. If not, then perfect.
You win! Perfect!
Is acceptable. Failures may cost money, and most importantly, time, which cannot be bought for any amount.
Thank you for joining us in this lesson. If you learned something, give the video a like, share, and subscribe for more great content.